Dr. Francia Day is a clinical psychologist with Banner Health. She tells KTAR the middle school and high school years are hugely formative as teenagers develop their identity. But after the pandemic, teens are struggling to connect with each other and their communities.
This idea of socializing in our real world, or going out, having lunch with friends, doing so at school, feels almost abnormal.
Day explains many of these teens have had much less of a chance to learn nonverbal social cues, making even basic socializing difficult.
The pandemic created a good period of time in which we didn't have the opportunity to practice those skills. We're not as comfortable with them, and that's where we see the anxiety come in. If the anxiety gets so high that we avoid those type of interactions, then that's when we see the teen isolating more and more.
This is where a teen can really grapple with loneliness and develop more severe mental illness. Sometimes teens will then look to harmful places to find the acceptance they lack. Day says while there are many factors that cause this reaction, like previous exposure to violence or issues within their families, teens may turn to harmful or violent social circles to feel understood.
That can create that perfect storm for teens to connect with maybe unhealthier groups, or feel like they will be respected, heard, seen through aggressive behaviors.
To avoid these damaging outcomes, Day says it comes back to supporting and encouraging the teenagers in your life to find connection in healthy ways, like through sports, clubs, or community groups.
If we guide them to be part of healthier groups, that can really help their confidence and their mental health.
Kate Orta, KTAR News.